Okay. So we have seen all the vibhaktis. எல்லா விபக்திஸும் பார்த்துட்டோம். Vibhaktis, all the 7. Main we have 7. 8th vibhakti கிடையாது. That is சம்போதன பிரதமா தான் 8ஆ வருது. That is for calling out somebody. Okay. For calling out somebody who is far away. Hey Rama, hey Hare, hey Guru. So that is the way it goes. So today we have seen all the vibhaktis. Now we have seen Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. The second is Ramam. Revati madam, Sulumu. Second vibhakti.
Ramam, Ramau, Raman.
Raman. Okay.
Raman.
Next madam. Beena madam, say the third vibhakti.
Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi.
Okay. Dhanalakshmi madam, say the fourth vibhakti.
Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyah.
Tripura Sundari, say the fifth vibhakti. Tripura Sundari, are you there? Okay, Lalita madam, fifth vibhakti.
Yes, Mataji, mute பண்ண முடியல அதுக்காக.
Okay. Fifth சொல்லுங்க.
எது மாதாஜி ஸ்ரீலிங் எதுக்கு சொல்லணும் மாதாஜி?
ராம சப்தமா?
ராம சப்தம். சரிங்க மாதாஜி. இந்த ஃபிஃப்த் விபக்தி வந்து ராம சப்தத்துல பஞ்சமியில ராமாத் ராமாபியாம் ராமேபியஹ.
Lalita madam, say the sixth vibhakti.
Ramasya Ramasya Ramaha, Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam.
Ramanam. Okay. Then the seventh vibhakti. சொல்லுங்கம்மா, நீங்களே சொல்லுங்க.
Rame Ramayoho Rameshu.
Okay. So now we have what is the Sambodhana? One of you can say, Revati madam, Sambodhana Pratama chalunga. You can say that.
Sambodhanam.
Hey Rama, 8th varum.
Hey Rama, Hey Ramau, Hey Ramaha.
So this is all about the vibhaktis. Okay. Now, what are we going to see today? It is Upapada Vibhakti. There are some words where you can use only specific vibhaktis. சில வார்த்தைகள் இருக்கு. அது வந்துடுதுனா you can use only that vibhakti. That is called Upapada Vibhakti. Okay. So they are like helping to these vibhaktis, or these vibhaktis are dependent on these words, or these words are dependent on these vibhaktis. Okay, you can say that. Either you can say that or you can say this. Can you all please mute? Revati madam, can you mute please? Yeah. Okay. So on the words, what are those words? And the words எல்லாம் என்ன? இதெல்லாம் தான் நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போறோம். இப்போ ஒவ்வொரு விபக்தியா எடுத்துப்போம். See, now Prathama is what? Prathama is Karta. I told you. First day I've been telling you. He is the subject. He is the doer of the action. யார் பண்றாலோ, இப்ப நான் சொல்லி தரேன்னா நான் தான் கர்த்தா. If you are listening, you are not the karta. Okay. Now what I am teaching Sanskrit. So Sanskrit is the object of my teaching. And what is, so I am the karta. So karta is always Prathama Vibhakti. Okay. So Prathama Vibhakti, we leave it. It does not have anything. That is why in Sanskritam, there is a word they say, Swatantra Karta. See, that means what? Swatantra Karta means the Karta can stand alone. Okay. The Prathama Vibhakti can always stand alone. But the other Vibhaktis are dependent on something else. That all we'll see later. Now, we'll take up easier words. We'll take up some easier words. I'll just share with you the screen. Okay. Now, these are rules of Dvitiya Vibhakti. Dvitiya Vibhakti, abhitaha. Abhitaha means in 4 directions actually. Generally, abhitaha and paritaha. These two are used in the same sense. Okay. So, paritaha and abhitaha, that is 4 directions. And maybe this is surrounding. Paritaha. நம்ம சுற்றி இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல. So, abhitaha, paritaha, they are almost used in the same meaning. Then, samaya, nikasha, அப்படின்னா near. Okay, this is used mostly in Vedas and all, it will not in Kavyams and all that. Then, ha, ha, அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது it's an exclamation of sorrow. நம்ம சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, ஓ, நம்ம தமிழ்ல அஹோ, ஐயோ, அப்படின்லாம் அந்த நாடகத்துலலாம் மாதிரி சான்ஸ்கிரிட்ல this ah. So that, see this, why this is Dvitiya Vibhakti or rules, why we say, because in the words allam vandana, we have to use only Dvitiya Vibhakti. We will see examples. First we will see what are the words. Ha, it's an exclamation of sorrow. Then prati, prati na towards, avara noki. Griham prati gacchati. Okay, வீட்டை நோக்கி அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல தமிழ்ல, going towards in English. So that is prati. Ubayataha, ubayataha, both sides, both sides. Okay. Then sarvataha, படிச்சிருக்கோம், sarvataha, everywhere. Okay, sarvataha is everywhere. So abhitaha, just keep in your mind all these. I will send the notes, but just keep in mind abhitaha, paritaha, samaya, nikasha, ha, prati, ubayataha. See, abhitaha, paritaha, ubayataha, sarvataha. They are all ending in taha, taha, taha. So don't get confused. Okay. Ubayataha means both sides, ரெண்டு பக்கமும். Okay. ஒரு வீட்டுக்கு ரெண்டு பக்கமும் மரம் இருக்கு. இப்போ கிருஹம் உபயத்தக, விருக்ஷாஹா சந்தி, நிறைய மரங்கள் இருக்கு. Okay, so that is how it is. Then sarvataha, sarvataha everywhere. So now that is one thing. There are some more rules. Okay, this is, see the examples. Chandram paritaha nakshatrani santi. Udaharan. Chandram paritaha. What is paritaha? Surrounding. Correct? In all directions. Ella direction. Chandram paritaha has come. So we have to use only the Dvitiya Vibhakti mattumதான் use பண்ணணும். So Chandram paritaha nakshatrani santi. Vrindavanam samaya yamuna pravahati. Pravahati na flows. Okay, nadi pravahikkradhuன்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல, நதி ஓடுறது. It flows. The river Yamuna flows. Vrindavanam. So the Vrindavan. So near Vrindavan, the river Yamuna flows. So Vrindavanam samaya Yamuna pravahati. Margam, margana road. Margam ubayataha. Ubayataha na both sides. See, ubayataha is both sides. Okay, so margam ubayataha vrikshaha santi. So both sides of the road there are trees. Sita vanam prati gacchati. So Sita is going towards the forest. புரியுறதா? இதுல டவுட் இருந்தா கேளுங்க. பரிதஹ is what is surrounding in all directions. Samaya nikasha near. Ha, that is exclamation. Prati towards. Ubhayataha both sides. Sarvataha everywhere. அதுக்கு தான் இந்த examples. Chandram. What is the Prathama Vibhakti? Chandraha. Okay. Vrindavanam. Vanam. Vanam is Napumsakalingam. So Prathama Vibhakti also is Vrindavanam and Dvitiya Vibhakti also is Vrindavanam. Then Margam. Margaha. Prathama Vibhakti. But Margam is Dvitiya Vibhakti. Then Vanam. Vanam is also, I told you just now, Vanam is Napumsakalinga. So Prathama Vibhakti and Dvitiya Vibhakti are the same rupams. So enna solrom? Chandram paritaha nakshatrani santi. Puriyarda? Is everybody able to understand this? Yes? Yes.
மாதாஜி திரும்ப ஒரே ஒரு தடவை சொல்லுங்க மாதாஜி. புரிஞ்சது, திருப்பி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்க முடியாத மாதிரி இருக்கு.
Okay. அதாவதுமா இந்த வேர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் நான் சொல்றேன் இல்லையா? அபிதஹ.
மாதாஜி.
Abhitahana in all the four directions. Paritahana surrounding.
Okay.
Okay, these meanings you understand. Samaya, Nikasha, அப்படின்னா nearby.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then ha. Ha is an exclamation. Then prati, towards. Ubhayataha, both sides. Sarvataha, everywhere. Whenever there are these words following the noun has to be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay? That is the rule. You cannot change it. You cannot say Chandraha Paritaha. Chandraha, Akaranta, Pullinga, Chandra Shabdaha. Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is Chandraha. But when there is Paritaha after it, you have to use only the Dvitiya Vibhakti. That is the rule. Puriyadama?
Okay.
Puriyada? Tripura Sundari madam.
எஸ் மாதாஜி, புரியுது மாதாஜி. இப்ப அதுக்கு அடுத்து இப்போ பிருந்தாவனம் சொன்னீங்க, மார்க்கம் அப்படி வரும்போதும் வனம் வரும்போதும் அந்த ஓகே மாதாஜி.
இந்த வேர்ட்ஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி வித்தியா தான் போடணும்.
இன்ஃபேக்ட் வந்து ராமன் சந்திரனுடைய அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு பதிலா ஆறாவதுக்கு பதிலா
நீங்க தயவு செய்து குழப்பாதீங்க. டோன்ட் பிரிங் தமிழ். சந்திரனுடைய வரவே வராது. சந்திரனை சுற்றி தான் வரும். நீங்க தமிழ்லயே பண்ணினாலுமே சந்திரனுடைய சுற்றி எப்படி வரும்?
ஓகே.
பரிதஹ மீனிங் வந்து நீங்க யூ டிரான்ஸ்லேட் இன் தமிழ் சரவுண்டட் தானே. சரவுண்டிங்.
சரி, சந்திரனை சுற்றி.
சோ சரவுண்டிங் will be சந்திரனை சுற்றி தானே. அப்ப ஐ வந்தாலே த்வித்தியா தானே. கரெக்ட்?
ஓகே.
ஐ இஸ் ஃபார் த்வித்தியா. டோன்ட் கன்ஃபியூஸ் yourself. சந்திரனுடைய வராதீங்க. ஓகே, டோன்ட் கன்ஃபியூஸ். சஷ்டி கொண்டு வராதீங்க.
So Mata, it is known as the moon is surrounded by the stars.
Yes.
Okay. So basically subject will be the subject will be first and then it goes to the word, right? Yeah. Paritaha, surroundings.
That will be only in the Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Dvitiya Vibhakti, okay.
You cannot use it in the Prathama Vibhakti.
Prathama Vibhakti, okay.
Because you are translating in English the moon only.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So actually, the sentence will, how it will read, you know? Nakshatrani Chandram Paritaha Santi. See, you put this, how you will put this, read it in, now she said Tamil, Chandranai. Who is surrounded by, if you say moon, you what will say? Is surrounded by, right?
Yeah.
If it is surrounded by, it will become a karmani prayoga. It will not be a kartari prayoga. We have not studied that. It will be a passive voice, okay, if I tell you in English. it will not be active. But this sentence is in active voice. This sentence is not in passive. So actually, here what will be the subject if you think of it? Nakshatrani only. Okay.
Yes.
So how you will translate it? The stars surround the moon.
Moon. Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah.
Instead of saying the moon is
Moon is
surrounded
surround-
by the stars, that will be in Sanskritam, the prayogam will be different.
The stars surround the moon.
Because in Prathama Vibhakti, what is there? The subject. So what is the Prathama Vibhakti here? Nakshatran. Nakshatram, nakshatre, nakshatrani. Okay. Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachana. So try to understand that.
Yeah.
Chandram is the Dvitiya Vibhakti. The same way, Yamuna. Yamuna forms the Prathama Vibhakti. Vrikshaha forms the Prathama Vibhakti. Okay, and here Sita forms the Prathama Vibhakti. So just try to just catch which is Prathama Vibhakti here. So what is in Dvitiya Vibhakti? So the meaning will be like that. So if you cannot say the moon is surrounded, but you can say, but
you have used
Yeah.
the Dvitiya Vibhakti.
because you are using the Dvitiya
Nakshatrani,
Vibhakti.
Nakshatrani will be the subject here.
Yes,
So Paritaha, you will have to say the stars surround the moon.
yes,
Okay.
correct.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
I'm using it in active voice. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Is everybody clear, ma? இந்த இதுல யாருக்காவது இன்னும் டவுட் இருக்கா? Okay.
Yeah.
So now see how
Look.
this is. Now just see this picture. Now we use this abhitaha. Abhitaha means what I said?
In 4 directions.
4 directions. So Vidyalayam, abhitaha, vrikshaha santi. So we just have to think. If abhitaha is there, what we are going to talk about, the school, it has to go in Vidya. Okay? Just think of that. Just think in your mind like that. So Vidyalayaha is the Prathama Vibhakti and Vidyalayam is Dvitiya Vibhakti. Abhitaha, if abhitaha is there, so it will be Vrikshaha Santi. Vrikshaha Santi is understood, but this Vidyalayam is surrounded by what? By the trees. Okay. But what is surrounded by the trees? Vidyalayam. Abhitaha. Understood this, the formation, how it is? So, just see some exercise. Exercise means just how much is your understanding. I just want to see your understanding, how you have understood. And there are some more rules I forgot. No. Sorry. Now, some more rules for Dvitiya Vibhakti. Now, Vina, Nana, Pritak. These are 3 words. Pritak is also without. Vina, without. Nana, without. Antara is in between. Antarena is without. Now, you have to understand that. First, I forgot to tell you. All these Upapada Vibhaktis, these words, they are all avyayams. What is an avyayam? Somebody tell me. I have taught you அவ்யயம்னா என்னன்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன். சொல்லுங்க யாராவது.
Prepositions இல்லையா?
Pardon?
No,
சொல்லுங்கம்மா. Don't be
Preposi-
scared. If it is
Preposi-
wrong also, it's okay.
Prepositions இல்லையா?
No. What are avyayams?
It is indestructible.
It is indeclinable.
Declinable. Indeclinable.
Indeclinable. That how we say Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. This Antara or the others what we saw, Abhitaha, Paritaha, Ubayataha, Prati, Samaya, all these cannot decline. Are you able to follow me? புரியுதாமா எல்லாருக்கும்? இது அப்படியே தான் நிற்கும்.
They
Like
stand
how?
alone.
Yes.
Standing alone.
Yes, standing alone. Standing alone, it will not decline. Decline பண்ணாதுன்னா அதுக்கு எந்த விபக்தி வச்சனம் எதுவும் கிடையாது. Okay, it will help the sentence, but it will stand alone. That is what is an avyayam. அது மட்டும் புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். So all these words now which I am teaching today, they are all avyayams. Understand that. I should have told you in the first place itself. So Prithak, Vina, see, Jalam Vina, Jeevanam Nasti. Okay, Jalam Vina. So without water, Jeevanam Nasti. So what is Jeevanam is life. Okay, there is no life without water. Dayam Vina, Dharmaha Nasti. There is no dharma without mercy or compassion. That is daya. Daya is the word. Mercy, compassion, karunai, Tamil சொல்லணும்னா. Correct? Dharma, there is no dharma. Dharmam கிடையாது. Dharma is what? To do good things. To help somebody who is in trouble. They are all dharmam. So you cannot do any dharmam if you don't have mercy in you. நமக்குள்ள கருணை உள்ளவே இல்லைன்னா நம்ம எப்படி தர்ம வழியில செல்ல முடியும்? தர்மம் பண்ண முடியுங்கிறது வேற, தர்ம வழியில எப்படி செல்ல முடியாது. So understood? That's the meaning. Then antara, antarana in between. Okay. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். இந்த இது வந்து ஒரு ஸ்லோகத்துல இருந்து எடுத்திருக்காங்க. This is without a in a slogan. அங்கனாம் அங்கனாம் அந்தரா மாதவ மாதவம் அந்தரேன ந சுகம் அஸ்தி. ஓகே, அங்கனாம் அங்கனாம், அதாவது it says that அங்கனாம் அங்கனாம் அந்தரா மாதவ. அங்கனாம், அங்கம் is our body. Okay, here அங்கனாம் is any particle. அதாவது ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு நம்ம சொல்லுவோம்ல, God is everywhere. தூணிலும் இருப்பார், துரும்பிலும் இருப்பார். அதுதான் அங்கனாம் அங்கனாம் அந்தரா மாதவ. ஒரு சின்ன சின்ன துளி நடுவுல கூட, in between anything, மாதவ is God. மாதவன், கிருஷ்ணா, லார்ட் கிருஷ்ணா. மாதவம் அந்தரேன ந சுகம் அஸ்தி. Okay, so antarena without Madhavan we have no sukham. Without God we have no happiness or anything. We don't have any pleasure,
Peace.
any
We have no
happiness.
peace. We have no peace.
Yeah, anything. So this is just a usage they have used. That is a slokam. You just leave it. Antara madhava madhavam antarena na sukham asti.
So we cannot use this Pruthak Vina or Nana.
Yeah, you can also use Pruthak. You can use Pruthak also.
Madhavam Pruthak na Sukham Asti.
Yes, you can use. Without
Okay.
Madhava, there is no Madhavam Pruthak, Madhavam Vina, Madhavam Nana. Use பண்ணுங்க. You can use. they're all birds meaning, but இது வந்து சும்மா they have put a shloka. So they have just put a shloka in that these are there. Okay, so that is only one thing. So what are we understood? What are the words we saw? Paritaha, ubayataha, abhitaha, samaya, then vina, pritak, nana, antara, antarena. All these words are avyayams. That mattum first keep in your mind, they are all avyayams. And these avyayams will take the Dvitiya. They will take the Dvitiya. Understood? Anybody has doubt? Okay. Now, I will just give you one small exercise. Let me just see how you do it. That you have understood, then I will go to the third vibhakti. See, all the vibhaktis have this in the madri, some words which are there. That is why they are called upapada vibhakti, but they are all avyayams. Okay, so now there are three words. I will just give you three words. If you have a notebook in front of you, write it. Are you all sitting with notebook?
Yes, mother.
Madam,
சொல்லுங்க.
அபிதக பிரதக் இதெல்லாம் அனுப்புறல?
நான் அனுப்புறேன்மா. கண்டிப்பா நான் காமிச்சது எல்லாமே நான் கம்பைல் பண்ணி ஒரே பிடிஎஃப் அனுப்புறேன்.
ஓகேம்மா.
செகண்ட், தேர்ட், ஃபோர்த் வரைக்கும் இன்னைக்கு பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Let me see. I don't know where I'll have time. I will see. எவ்வளவு பண்ண முடியும். Now, yeah. Now, Sharkara. Okay. நானே எழுதுறேன் உங்களுக்கு. I think I will write it. Because I don't know. You have to tell me. I will just write and show you. I want you to answer. Those who can answer. Those who are not well and want to be on mute, don't want to miss the class, you don't have to say anything. Yeah. Just share this. Now, Sharkara. Sharkara na sugar. Okay. Paritaha. Yes. Sharkara, Paritaha, Pipilikaha, Santi. Pipilikaha அப்படின்னா எறும்புகள், ants. Paritaha means what? What is the meaning we saw? Paritaha, abhitaha.
Surrounding.
Surrounding. Okay.
All directions.
போர்ட்ல பிபீலிக்காக தெரியுது.
எறும்புகள்மா.
இல்ல வேர்ட் இதுல போர்டு தெரியல. இந்த ஒயிட் போர்ட்ல பிபீலிக்காக
தெரியலையா?
we can see only பீலிக்காக. அந்த பிபீலிக்கா அந்த இது வரல.
தெரியுது மாதா, தெரியுது.
இல்ல வெறும் பீலி.
இப்ப தெரியறதா?
இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் தள்ளணும்.
ஓகே.
இப்ப தெரியுது. இப்ப தெரியுது.
Pipilika means ants.
Ant.
Ants. Okay, okay.
Sharkara means sugar.
Ah.
So here the paritaha is there. Before that, the sharkara comes. So the sharkara will take the dvitiya vibhakti. Understood? Are you able to follow me now? So sharkara, you cannot say sharkara. You must say sharkara paritaha pipilikaha santi. Everybody is able to follow this. Now next one நீங்க தான் பண்ண போறீங்க. Is it correct? Anybody has any doubt in this? Okay. Now. No, this is not the answer. Something is wrong. Share the whiteboard.
Board is gone.
No, I'm just, because it's totally going. I don't know why. I'll take out Microsoft. We'll see what this is doing. Yeah. Now we will see. Again, another example. This is again Paritaha. Okay. So the house is surrounded by, that is, the tree surrounds the house. Okay. Or colloquially, you can say the வீட்டை சுற்றி மரங்கள் இருக்கின்றன. தமிழ்ல சொல்லும்போது, see, when it is an Indian language, the translation will be correct. When it is a foreign language, translation won't be correct. தமிழ்ல சொல்லும்போது வீட்டை சுற்றி மரங்கள் இருக்கின்றன, you can say. Okay. So now here see. What is this? Read the sentence, one of you.
Can't see anything, Mata.
போர்டே தெரியல.
அப்படியா?
White board.
I told you that only there is no board.
Oh, I'm not sharing the board. Sorry. I was going on writing in the board. Now?
No seen.
I already wrote that Griham Paritaha Vrikshaha Santi. Then I'm going to the next one. Can one of you read the sentence, second sentence?
Griham Paritaha Vrikshaha Santi.
Vrikshaha Santi.
Vrikshaha Santi.
That is the first one. Second one.
Choraha Ubhayataha Arakshakaha Santi.
So what should come here? Ubhayataha is there. So Ubhayataha vandana, endha vibhakti varanam, which vibhakti? Dvitiya.
Vidya vibhakti.
Choram ubhayataha.
Vidya.
Yes.
Choram.
Choram ubhayataha.
Choram ubhayataha. Are you able to get it now?
Yes, Mata.
Why am I putting here makara? This is one thing I note in your homework. Now when I see, I'm
That is
I want to
Swara.
tell you.
Who is
Yes.
Swara?
When there is a swaraksharam after makara, the makara should be written. For griham, see, that is paritaha. So that is a halan, that is a consonant. Okay, that is not a swaraksharam. That is a hal letter. Whereas this is an ach letter. This is swaraksharam, that is vyanjanaksharam. When there is vyanjanaksharam, a consonant, you can put the dot. That is anuswara. That is the dot. Okay, when it is followed by a consonant. But if it is followed by a vowel, pinadi or swaraksharam irunda, you have to put makara only. You should not put dot. You should not put anuswaram. Are you able to get me? நிறைய பேர் ஹோம்வொர்க்ல இந்த தப்பு பண்றேன். I thought of saying in the class.
மாதாஜி திரும்ப ஒரு தடவை மட்டும் சொல்லுங்க மாதாஜி. சாரி.
அதாவதுமா இப்ப நம்ம கிரகம் அப்படின்னு மேல புள்ளி வச்சிருக்கோம் இல்லையா, அனுஸ்வாரம். கிரகம் பரித்தக. So pa is a vowel or a consonant?
Consonant.
If it is that anuswara, if it is followed by a consonant, you should put that anuswara dot. If that is makara only becomes, actually this is also griham only. When you pirichi eludina, you'll write g plus r, then akara, then akara, then makara. This is how you will write the letters, griham. But this makara, when it is followed by a consonant, you will write the dot anuswara, you will put here. But if this makara is followed by a vowel, so choram ubayataha, at that time you should not put the anuswara, you should put the makara alone. Puriyadama?
புரியுது.
So keep that in your mind. Okay. So dvipaha abitaha, dvipaha. What is dvipaha?
Island Mata.
We have heard of Lakshadweepam, right?
Is it an island?
Yes, it's an island. So that is a Sanskrit word. See, Dvipaha is an island. Dvipaha, abitaha, samudraha.
Dvipam, abitaha.
So, now what will happen to this Dvipaha?
Dvipam.
Understood there? Somebody else tell me.
Makara you have to. Dvipam.
Yes. Dvi,
The Halan.
the hala. Yes, good. So, because there is a vowel behind it, it is abitaha. Okay, same. Chandraha, Vina, Akashaha. Are you able to see the board now?
Yeah. Yes, Mata.
Yeah, good. Check it now. Microsoft. This is Chandraha, Vina. Vina is another word. The Dvitiya Vibhakti will come. But Vina we will learn in Tritiya also. But here,
Without.
Chandraha, Vina. Vina na without. Akashaha, Akasham, that the sky. Na Shobhate. It does not shine. Okay. Shobhate, it doesn't look beautiful. It doesn't shine. அழகாக இருப்பதில்லை அப்படி எடுத்துக்கணும். Chandraha is again Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. It is followed by Vina. So what will happen to Chandraha? Somebody else?
It becomes
Chandram.
Chandram, Mata.
Chandram. Will the dot come or the makara come?
The dot will come.
Why?
Because it is a consonant. Vina is a consonant.
Yeah, so Vina, Va is a, Vakara is a consonant. So here, only Anuswara will come. Okay? So that you should not say dot. To say Anuswara, learn to say Anuswara. If it is not Anuswara, you should say Makara. Okay? So learn to say the three ways. One is Makara and one is Anuswara. So, are you all able to do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody has understood. புரியுதாமா இது?
Yes, Mata.
யாருக்காவது புரியலைன்னா
Mata.
கேளுங்க. யாருக்காவது ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்கா இதுல? Can I go to the next vibhakti? Third vibhakti.
Doubt illa, madam.
Yes,
Okay.
Mata.
இது மாதாஜி.
We are not having doubt now. That's very nice. But we have to see. So there is one thing I forgot to share with you. See. It's only one screen in this. One example. See. One of you read.
Balakam Ubayataha Balike Staha.
So, Ubayataha. What is Ubayataha?
In 4 directions.
No, Ubayataha is both sides.
Oh, sorry, for both sides. Sorry.
See, Abhitaha, Paritaha is in all, surrounding all. All directions is Abhitaha. Paritaha is surrounding.
Yeah.
It's surrounding. Ubayataha is both.
Both
So,
sides.
Balakam Ubayataha. Balike Staha. Asti, Santi only we were doing. Here there are 2 girls. So, these 2 girls, they are on both sides of whom? Of the boy. Understood this sentence? The usage of this sentence. புரிஞ்சுதாமா எல்லாருக்கும்? Balaka is the shabdam. Balakaha is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. And Balakam is Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. So you say Balakam Ubayataha Balike Staha. Okay. Yeah. Now we will do this. The other one, the Tritiya Vibhakti. What are the rules in the Tritiya Vibhakti? We will see. What are the words that are used in the Tritiya Vibhakti? Now, see the words Saha, Sardham, Samam, Sakam. These words are used, if they are used, Tritiya Vibhakti is used. Ramena Saha Sita Vanam Agachat. So Sita went to forest with Rama. Krishnena Sakam Arjunaha Yudhaya Agachat. Okay. Yudhaya. What is Yudhaya? Is what Vibhakti? Anybody? Yuddha is the Shabdam. What is the Vibhakti Yudhaya?
Vidya is Ramaya. Just the fourth one.
Yes. Good.
Chaturtha.
Good. Chaturthi Vibhakti. Don't try to say in Sanskrit.
Okay.
Chaturthi
Chaturthi.
Vibhakti.
Chaturthi.
Chaturthi Vibhakti. Okay. So, what are the words? Saha. Saha. Sardham. Saha is widely used. Okay. Whenever we use this Tritiya Vibhakti, Ramena Saha. In English, when you translate it, you say along with. With also is okay, but we say along with. See, for Tritiya, what is that? Ramena, Krishnena, Sitaya, Ramaya. Correct? These are all there. And Napumsakalinga also is the same. Mitrena, Vanena. That is Pullinga and Napumsaka, they get the same forms. So Tritiya Vibhakti, always you get Saha, Sakam, Sardham, Samam. Okay? When these words, again I repeat, these are all avyayams. இது எல்லாமே அவ்யயம் தான். These are all avyayams. So with these avyayams, the Tritiya Vibhakti is used. There is another one avyayam which we saw there, Vina. Vina. You know what is Vina, na? Without. You can also say Jalam Vina Meenaha Na Jivati. Okay. Minaha, you can say Minaha Na Jivati. Jalam Vina Minaha Na Jivati. Jivan, Minaha. So Na Jivanti. Minaha Na Jivati or Minaha Na Jivanti. Okay. But I can also use Jalena Vina. Okay. If I say Ramena Vina Sita Na Tishtati. Okay. Ramena Vina Sita Na Tishtati. She doesn't stay without Rama. Ramena Saha Lakshmanaha Vanam Gacchati. Ramena Saha, along with Rama, Lakshmana goes to the forest. Ramanudan தான் இது. Ramanudan. தமிழ்ல தான் ஆள் உடன் ஊடு. இந்த மூணு தான் கிருத்தியாக்கு வரும். So Ramanudan, Saha, with Rama, along with Rama, both you can say. So என்னெல்லாம் words? Saha, Sardham, Samam, Sakam. If these three are all these are used in Tritiya. And Ramena Saha, Krishnena Sakam. இது புரிஞ்சுதாமா இந்த sentences?
புரியுது
Are you able to
மாதாஜி.
get it? Is there any doubt in this? It's a very easy thing. In Tritiya, you don't have much. Apart from this, you have Vina, I told you. Vina. Vina is one word, which is one avyayam. You can use with Vitiya and it is used with Tritiya. Whenever you, if at all you come across Vinangra word pathikana, அன்னைக்கு மேடம் சொன்னாங்க அது Dvitiyaல தான் வரும். இல்ல, it is used in Dvitiya, Tritiya and Panchami also. You will see that later. But now, for now, you keep it Dvitiya and Tritiya also. Vina is used. Anybody has any doubt in this?
So
Yes.
will it be in past, that is past tense? இல்ல, எந்த இதுல வேணா வரலாம்.
Yeah, it can be. But if Ramena Saha Sita Vanam Agachat, it is given because Rama Sita went to forest. Okay. Ipo, you can say with somebody, you know, what to say, with Balakena Saha Balika Vidyalayam Gachati. Correct? Can you say that?
Yeah.
Chatrena Saha, okay, Chatra Vidyalayam Gachati. Chatrena is Pullinga, Chatra is Strilinga. So the boy, the girl student goes to the school along with the boy student. Okay. Maya Saha, with me. Maya Saha Mama Bagini Agachati. My sister comes along with me. Maya is Tritiya Vibhakti for Asmat Shabda. So these Tritiya Vibhakti, with that only you can use this Saha. First of all of you should be thorough in your Vibhaktis. Till now you all have, like, you have to be thorough. Then only you can do translation and sentences. But all of you are doing well. Everybody is doing your homework very well. I'm very happy about it. You're trying very much. It's okay. Very minor mistakes which you can always avoid. Nothing. Don't worry about it. But if you don't do homework, you will not be able to learn. Doing homework only you learn. Okay. So what I said, Saha, Sardham, Samam, Sakham. These are the 4 words. And I also told you about Vina. Vina can be used in Tritiya. Vina வந்து திருத்தியாலையும் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், துத்தியாலையும் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். இதுல யாருக்காவது டவுட் இருக்கா? No doubt.
மத்தாச்சி புரியுறது. இப்போ சார்த்தம், சமம், ஷாக்கம் அதுக்கு தமிழ்ல அதாவது இங்கிலீஷ் மீனிங் மட்டும்
எல்லாமே
சொல்லுங்க
உடன்
மத்தாச்சி.
உடன் தான்.
உடன் தான். ஓகே மத்தாச்சி.
எல்லாமே உடன் தான்.
ஓகே ஓகே.
எல்லாமே அந்த உடன் தான். அந்த உடன்ங்கிறது தான், வேற ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. ஓகே. So now we saw.
Ma'am, what is the meaning?
With along with
Along. Acha, with along with.
With and along with.
Yeah.
That is only there. So now, like this, now we have to see. I want to finish Chaturthi also today. This Chaturthi is one thing which we have to learn. I wanted to teach you during that time itself.
மத்தாச்சி ஒரே ஒரு இப்போ எக்ஸாம்பிள் மட்டும். இப்போ நீங்க ராமேன சக லக்ஷ்மண் வண்ணம் கச்சதி சொன்னீங்கல்ல, அதே மாதிரி சார்த்தம் லக்ஷ்மணஹ.
யூஸ் ராமேண சார்த்தம் லக்ஷ்மணஹ வனம் கச்சதி.
ஓகே ஓகே.
ராமேண சாக்கம். ஓகே
ஓகே மத்தாச்சி.
all mean the same.
ஓகே மத்தாச்சி.
Same. Okay. Now, what is Chaturthi Vibhakti now? These are Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi. Okay. Sitaya, Sitabhyam, Sitabhihi. So this is for Tritiya. Chaturthi, somebody can tell me now. Tell me Chaturthi Vibhakti.
Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyah.
Ramebhyah. Okay. Now we will see what are the words that are used in Chaturthi. Now, this is, I told you again, I'm repeating it. They are all only avyayams. They are avyayams.
Mata, no screen.
Yeah, now only I'm going to share. Okay. So, Chaturthi Vibhakti. What are the words? Namaha. Do we say Narayana Namaha? Or we say Narayanaya Namaha? Come on.
நாய நமக.
Narayanaaya Namaha. Krishnaya Namaha. Saraswatyai Namaha. Chaturthi. Okay. Sitayai Namaha. Chaturthi. That Strilingam also. Nadi Shabdam. Ikaranta Shabdam. Akaranta Shabdam. Like that also. So Saraswatyai Namaha, Sitayai Namaha, Krishnaya Namaha, Rudraya Namaha, Govindaya Namaha, Ramaya, Ramabhadraya, Ramachandraya, Vedase, Raghunathaya, Nathaya, Sitayaha, Pateye Namaha. படிச்சிருக்கோம் இல்லையா அந்த ஸ்லோகம்? many of you have read it. படிச்சிருக்கீங்களா? Many of you would have read it. Okay. So Ramaya, Ramachandraya. Okay, let's forget it. So Namaha. Namaha.
படிப்புனால விட்டு கொடுத்த ஒரு நல்ல விஷயம் என்னன்னா பழைய
please mute.
படிச்சு முட்டாளாயிட்டாங்கன்னுவாங்கல்ல. நம்ம தமிழ்நாட்டுல பழைய சோறை நம்ம படிச்சு நம்ம முட்டாளானது. சரியா? என்ன பழைய சோறை எப்படி பண்ணுவாங்கன்னு சொல்றேன்.
Who's this on unmute? Mute. Somebody is speaking, that's why it came off. So, now, Swasti. Swasti is best wishes. Namaha is, please, if anybody is on unmute, please mute, because the class is being recorded. Always keep that in mind. Okay, you have doubt, always unmute and ask. But once you finish, please don't forget to mute yourself. So Namaha, I told you, Namaha, na? I worship you. Na Namaha. Poetry, it's a Tamil lesson, poetry. Salutations in English. Then, Swasti. See, our closing prayer will be Swasti Prajabhya. Prajabhya, that is. Okay. Praja is Strilinga Shabdam. So, Prajabhya is Chaturthi Bahuvachanam. So, Swasti Prajabhya Paripalayantam abhi cholu. But just take these two words. Swasti Prajabhya. Swasti Prajabhya. So, Prajabhya na best wishes Praja to all the Raja says. Best wishes to all the Praja. Praja is his subjects. Avarudiya makkal. Illarukkum நல்லதே நடக்கட்டும் அப்படின்னு சொல்ல Swasti Prajabhya. So Swasti, when it comes also, it is Chaturthi. Okay. Then Swadha. Swadha. Swadha is offering to ancestors. Okay. Swadha. Swaha. Swaha is offering to gods. You would have seen many homams. They say Agni, Swaha, the Swaha, Vishnuve, Varunaya Swaha. Okay, all that governing. Since we are doing Sanskrit, when there is something going on, just listen to the wordings. கேளுங்க உங்களுக்கே தெரியும் நம்ம வந்து எப்படிலாம் ஸ்வாஹா when our houses, when we are doing homam and all that, you would have heard many times swaha swaha swaha. Okay, but swadha is a word which is used when you are offering to ancestors. Okay, when you are offering to gods, we have to use only swaha. So this is the difference between swadha and swaha. We have to keep that in mind. Then vashat. Vashat is also offering to gods, but in Laukika grammar we don't use it. Nammaloda Laukika idula we don't use. In Vaidika they use it, and it's a Rishi Prayogam. Rishigallam use pannar. So when it is used by Rishis, na nama Sanskritatla the Arsha Prayogam nu solluvom. Okay, so Arsha Prayogam. So that we don't use it Vashat very often, but Swaha is a word which we use very often. Many of you would have heard it in your homes. Okay, that is one thing. So what are the words I saw now? Namaha, Swasti, Swaha, Vashat, Swadha. Swadha. So what are these all? So these are all used with Chaturthi. They are used with Chaturthi. That is what we have to keep in our mind. So what will he say? Give me an example for Namaha. One or two examples.
Saraswatyai Namaha.
Saraswatyai Namaha. Yes. Somebody else?
Sitayai Namaha.
Sitayai Namaha. Okay, then.
Adhyapakaya Namaha.
Okay.
The Guru.
Guru எப்படி சொல்லுவேன்? Guru, what is the Chaturthi Vibhakti of Guru?
Gurave Namaha.
Gurai.
Gurave Namaha.
Yes. Gurave Namaha. So that it is Gurave Namaha. Okay. So these are some things that we have to keep in your mind. Okay. Then to all this,
பிதாக்கு என்ன வரும் மேடம்?
please mute yourself.
பிதா
Yes.
பிதாயாக நமக
பித்ரே பித்ரே
நமக.
பித்ரே. ஓகே ஓகே.
For whom? Who you want to say Namaha?
ஃபாதருக்கு அப்பாக்கு.
Okay.
அப்ப
Pitru சப்தத்தோட சதுர்த்தி விபக்தி என்னது? Think of that.
பித்துஹு பித்தௌ பித்துஹு பித்தௌ பித்தரஹ பித்தரம் பித்தரௌ பித்ருன்னு பித்ருணா பித்ருப்யாம் பித்ருபிஹி பித்ரேவ
Pitre,
பித்ரே. ஓகே.
Pitre, Matre, Ratre.
ஓகே
Okay.
ஓகே. தேங்க் யூ.
So that. Okay, ma'am. So Swasti, where are you seeing? Generally, it is used with Praja, it is used with Swaha. Come on, you can say very many things. Agni.
Best
Agni.
wishes for the examination.
அதெல்லாம் சொல்ல முடியாது. இது வந்து வேற மாதிரி மேட்ஸ். It is not a Laukika Prayogam. That's why I said. Okay, we don't use it in Laukika. Swasti.
பஞ்சபூதா.
Swaha, 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 you can say. Take God's names and say. கடவுளோட பேரை சொல்லி ஆஃபர் பண்றாங்க.
இந்திராய ஸ்வாஹா.
இந்திராய, கரெக்ட். கிருஷ்ணாய ஸ்வாஹா சொல்ல மாட்டாங்க. கிருஷ்ணாய நமஹ தான் சொல்லுவாங்க. Because when you are offering the swaha சொல்லும்போது we put it in the offering it is. It is offering.
Agnaya swaha.
அக்னய ஸ்வாஹா.
Agni, Hari Shabdavat. Okay. Like that it should be. Then Mitraya, Varunaya, Suryaya, okay, Chandraya. So in the Madri, all these Swaha சொல்லும்போது we should use the Chaturthi. Any doubt in this? I don't think there should be any doubt. Is there any doubt? Now I'll just show you this where the examples are given. I have not made it into one PDF. I have just kept it separately. Yeah. See. Chaturthila, how we are using. See. Gurubhyo Namaha. That Gurubhyaha தான் அது. அது அப்புறமா நீங்க சந்தி, when you learn சந்தி, you will know why it has become O. But it is Gurubhyo Namaha, Haraye Namaha, okay, Haraya Namaha also you can say. Then Ramaya Namaha. Here why you are saying Haraye Namaha and Haraya Namaha? Anybody difference? Old student also can answer this question. Why it is Haraye Namaha and Haraya Namaha?
Hari Om Mata.
Yes, Bala madam.
Haraye Namahandrathu Hari Shabdam madam.
And Haraya Namaha?
Hari Ikaranta Pullinga Hari Shabdam Haraye. Haraya Namahandrathu vandu Haraha அப்படின்னு சிவனுக்கு சொல்வோம் இல்லையா? ஹர.
Good. So that is the difference. Understood all of you?
Yes, Mata.
Hari is Ikaranta, Hara is Pasivan. That is why we say Harihara Putra. Ayyapanukku we say Harihara Putra. Hari is Vishnu and Hara is Shiva. Okay. So Harihara Putra we say for Ayyapan. So Haraye Namaha, that is Hari Ikaranta Shabdam. So there it is like that. This is Akaranta Pullinga Shabdam. So like Ramaya, it is Haraya Namaha. Sitayai Namaha. Devi. So Devyai Namaha. Sita Ramabhyam Namaha. Sita and Rama together. So that also is Chaturthi. Ramabhyam, isn't it? Sita Ramabhyam together. So Sita is the first word. It is ending with the Rama. So ending word only we have to see. So Ramabhyam. So Sita Ramabhyam Namaha. Then Prajabhya Swasti. That is the main thing. We always say best wishes to the subject. Agnaye Swaha. Offerings to Agni. Indraya Vashat. See, the Vashat is also used. Offerings to Indra, Vashat, Swaha and Vashat. So, but when we are offering to the ancestors who are not there, who are not alive, so that time we said Pitrubhyaha Swadha. There you don't use Swaha. Okay? So these are the examples of the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Anybody, any doubt? Yes, any doubt? I will send.
In the Pitrubhyaha Swada, Pitrubhyaha, why is Pitrubhyaha used there, Mata?
To ancestors.
Okay.
Okay. Because when somebody does the offering for like in Brahmins and all, they do Davasam. பண்ணும்பொழுது நீங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அது வந்து they say that 3 தலைமுறையோட பேரே சொல்லுவா. So it is believed that it goes up to 7 generations. Okay.
Okay, Mata.
So that is why it is used like that.
Mata. Harinarayanaya Namaha, Mata.
Harinarayana. Harinara. Okay, Harinarayana is one word. If you want to take Hari and Narayana, they both refer to the same person, correct?
Yes.
But
Yes, Mother.
Yes. Hari Narayana is one word. If you are taking 2 words, that time only you have to put Dhyam. Dvivachana. Puriyadama?
Okay.
Hari Narayana, if you are saying, it is only one word. Hari and Narayana are the same. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
But if you are saying Hari and Hara together, come on, who asked me this question? I don't know.
Revati, mother.
Hari and Hara, they're 2 persons, right? So what will you say?
Hari Harabhyam.
Hari Harabhyam
Namaha.
Understood?
Okay, mother.
Acha, Mata, one doubt. We say Om Namah Shivaya. So, in this, how it is connected to the Chaturthi? Shivaya, it is coming.
Yes, Shiva only, no? Is the
Shiva, okay.
It is Akaranta Pullinga Shiva Shabdam.
Shiva Shabdam, okay.
Correct?
Ha.
Om Shivaya Namaha, Om Ramaya Namaha, everything. You just go on saying the Chaturthi Vibhakti before the Namaha.
Okay.
So that is what. So these are they also say they are all, in English, they will say auxiliaries also helping. But in Sanskritam, these are verbs always are avyayams, but they are used with these vibhaktis. Dvitiya means, I told you so many words, abhitaha, paritaha, ubayataha, vina, then I told ha, correct? These are all used with. I will send you the list. This all we have to use it. Whereas in Tritiya, the Saha, Sakam, Sardham, and then we use Vina also in Tritiya. In Chaturthi, we say Namaha, Swasti, Swaha, Vashat, and Swadha. Okay. So coming back to our, is there anybody has any doubt? Chalna.
Mata, ஹரிஹராபியாம் ஹரி பிளஸ் ஹரி வந்து 2 person ஆயிடுறது.
ஹரி ஒருத்தர், ஹரா ஒருத்தர்.
ஆமா. அதே போல ஹரி நாராயண் அப்படி வருங்களா மாதாஜி? ஹரி நாராயணாபியாம்.
Hari and Narayana is the same. Hari Narayana. We pray to God. Hari Narayana is another name of Vishnu.
Okay, okay.
Surya Narayana. Okay,
Okay.
Surya is one, Narayana is one.
South Africa also, you are only going to back here.
Okay, so today's lesson, anybody has any doubt, you can ask. Yakal doubt இருந்தா கேளுங்க.
மாதா
Yes.
அந்த வௌஷட் அந்த ஹோம் அதெல்லாமும் இதுலதான் வருமா? கவச்சாய ஹோம் நேத்ரத்ரயாய வௌஷட் அதெல்லாமும் இதுலதான் வருமா?
அது ஆம்னாயம்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? அத
I am not able to get, ma. Yes, Ramya madam, tell me what are you saying?
The vaushut is also here used here.
Vashat is the word.
Vashat, okay. Ada kavachaya home netratrayaya vaushut அப்படி எல்லாம் வரும்.
அந்த லலிதா சஹஸ்ரநாமத்துல வருதானே கேக்குறேன்?
இல்ல
ஆமா, ஸ்டார்டிங்ல லலிதா சஹஸ்ரநாமத்துல முதல்ல வருமே இது.
அதுதான் என்னன்னா, என்னோட கை காக்கட்டும் கால் காக்கட்டும் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி அதுதான் சொன்ன அர்த்தஜனேபியாம் நம